Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the lecture number 12 of class 9th, chapter number 3. In the previous lecture, we have completed our chapter number 2. Now we are going to start chapter number 3, and this is about the computer network. In our daily life, we use computers for browsing internet, send and receiving emails, play online games, watch online videos, download music, take online courses, and read daily newspaper, etc. All such activity require a computer connected with other computers to make a computer network strongly. So computers can connect it through some medium, through some channel called wirelessly, and this medium also called communication channel. What is a computer network? A computer network is a computer system and other computing hardware devices linked together through communication channel. A network facilitates communication and resource sharing among connected devices. Networks are connected to make a large network, which is called network of networks. The best example of the network is the internet itself. Here is the diagram of the computer network. In this diagram, the cloud show the ISP means internet service provided and play a key role as a server. And the second is the router, and router also provide the role of the server for other computer that are connected with the router, and router provide the signals and strong network connection for sharing data and hardware devices. Communication channel, the medium through which multiple computers are connected for sharing data, called communication channel. In the previous diagram, the router and the ISP is the medium through which other computers connected, and this one is called communication channel. Need of the computer network. Why we make a computer network? Why we need a computer network? There are many reasons for establishing computer network. For example, file sharing, hardware sharing, application sharing, single sharing internet connection, user communication, and increasing storage capacity. Now we study one by one. File sharing. Networking of computer helps the network user to share files. For example, if you need date sheet of your board examination, you can get the file through internet without visiting BIS, mean Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Office. Similarly, if BIS require your picture and your biodata for admission form, they can get all these files over the internet. So, the file sharing is helpful to complete a task systematically. So basically, file sharing is the exchange file between computer over internet. Example of file sharing are computer programs, multimedia, audio, images, and video documents or folders. The next one is the hardware sharing. Through computer network, we can share hardware devices such as printer, CD-ROM, hard disk, scanner, DVD, DVD-ROM, digital video disc or play. For example, in our office, usually there are less number of printers and scanners than available number of computers. Using a network, these resources are shared to get cost-efficient solution. Application sharing. It means that one application share more than one users. The example of this application sharing is in bank, cashier, manager, ATM machine. Users use same application over the network. Bank balance updated at application over the network. Bank balance updated to one point is updated for all branches immediately. Single sharing internet connection. Single sharing internet connection means The network at your home or office, you can share with other internet connection or more than one users. User communication. Networks also allow user to communicate using email, news groups, video conferencing, etc. So, communication with people sitting on the different location is possible due to a network. A conference is best example of the user communication. Your video calls, your video chatting also. The next one is increasing storage capacity. Storage capacity means the limit to store data in your computer. If we connect our computer to another computer having more storage capacity, then we can also use the disk space of that computer. In this way, we can store and access files stored remotely. In this setup, a computer providing the storage is called file server, and the computer accessing that space is called a workstation. File sharing, hardware sharing, single sharing internet connection diagram.